Hey guys, if you're actually watching this before the painting tutorial, great. Let's get started with my CMYK set. I'm going to tell you really quick of how I structure my paints before I begin my painting. Let me introduce to you the CMYK set. So it's magenta, yellow, cyan, black, and white. Right now I'm putting my paint on top of a small surface. You could use anything as a tray. I'm going to squeeze them in a value order from light to dark. I usually start with the white and then the black. So when I'm squeezing out both of these colors, it gives me like the extreme ends. After I'm done with that, I usually go with the mid-tone. For this instance, it's going to be the cyan. And then in between the cyan and white, it's going to be yellow. So I squeeze out the yellow. And then it's going to be the magenta. Bam. And then I use a spritzer bottle to spray it a little bit. It helps keep it moist. I do that throughout my painting process. And then good luck with your painting.